everyone, welcome back to the space of Agnes Elisa. I am Dr. Agnes Elisa, an instructional designer and e-learning strategist. Today we are diving in a provocative question for the future. Are the schools preparing our kids to be replaced? Let's talk about that. Everywhere we look, AI and automation is reshaping industries. Jobs that we were once considered safe are now being automated. Yet many schools still focus heavily on the memorization and standardized testing. The question is, are we truly preparing kids for the future or for the obsolescence? Here is some facts that I found on the web. AI can perform repetitive tasks, but it cannot replace human creativity with critical thinking and adaptability. Skills like problem solving, communication, or emotional intelligence will always set us apart of AI. And if schools continue to teach old models without integrating innovation, collaboration, and digital literacy, we are risking raising students or learners who are excellent test takers but unprepared for the real world disruption. So before you go, let me ask you something. Do you think schools are preparing our students for success or for setting them up to be replaced by machines? I would like you to drop your thoughts in the comments area so we can debate and start this conversation. If you are passionate about education, e-learning design, and the future of work, subscribe to my channel from all social media under the space of Agnes Elisa. Share this video and let's collaborate. Together, we can design learning that empowers and not replace skills. Thank you for seeing me. I'll see you the next time.